What's going on, guys? First off, I just wanted to thank you so much for purchasing the Sky Pack of 275 plus skies over the last 5 years of my travels from around the world. It means a lot to me for you to support me, and which allows me to continue to be a full-time creative and do the things that I love to do. But I wanted to make a quick video to show you how to import and utilize them, so let's jump into it. Alright, so we are now in Photoshop and we imported a photo. We're going to go to the top left and click Edit, then down to Sky Replacement. It's going to take a second to load. And once that loads, you're going to click this arrow right here. Then we're going to click this little folder. You don't have to do this, but just to try to stay organized, let's call it Cody's Sky. Can't spell, Sky Pack. Click Enter. Then we're going to find that, and then we're going to click this plus sign right here. You can then go in and import all of them at once by highlighting them all, but for this instance, we're just going to do one. So I want to import, let's say this one. We're going to click Open and let that load. All right, so as you can see right here, the sky is finally in there, and it's as simple as that. For this instance and this photo, I probably wouldn't use this sky. You know what, I actually like this one, so let's just use this to show you how I would then go forward with this. So you're going to click out of this little box, and one of the things you're going to want to do is start messing with some of the brightness. One of the things I like to do is hit this magnifying glass and go to the landscape to see does it look okay, and you can mess with the shift edge right here, as you can see, just to make things a little better. You can also mess around with the fade edge tool as well. It's pretty simple. You just have to experiment a little bit and just try to see what looks the best and what works well. Just keep in mind, time of the day, where the light source is coming from and things like that. If the light source was coming from over here in the sky, but in the landscape, the light source was coming through this way, you're going to want to make sure that you click this button right here, which is flip, to show that the light source is coming from the right side. But continue to mess around with some of these tools. If I really want to edit and do more to the sky, what I'll typically do is save this. I do most of my editing in Lightroom, so I'll bring it over to Lightroom and manually do a mask on the sky and make edits from there. But I hope this video helps you. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out and let me know. Till next time, talk to you guys soon.